Welcome to another Drone View JA video update. In this video, we will be traveling along the new Highway 2000 expansion project. We will be starting in Tollgate Clarendon and we will go across the border to Manchester. My viewers and subscribers, it has been 3 months since I did any update on this section, so we are expecting to see a lot of growth in vegetation. And also, when we did the last video in this section, they were actually planting the fence posts along the roadway. Viewers, as we travel over the flat plains of Clarendon through the hilly terrain of cool Manchester, in the comment section, I want you to rate what you see out of 10. Now we are coming up on the border that separates the parish of Clarendon and Manchester by the St. Toolis River. Coming up will be a view of the St. Toolis River. Now let us continue through the hills of Manchester. When you are traveling this direction, you'll actually go through Porus onto William Field. Now this highway will take us past the main town in Porus with no exit to that main town. So if you are planning to do business in Porus, you will have to go to William Field, turn around and head back down Melrose Bypass to enter the town of Porus. Or you will have to exit the toll road in Tollgate Clarendon, enter the main A2 road, continue west on that old route. Now with that said, please just sit back and enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you. In our last update, that wall to your right was not there. That wall to your right is used to block out the view of communities.
Make it 'cause your love is